Today we're gonna be reviewing a dog life jacket. Here's what's in the pack, just a life jacket. This is a really cute shark life jacket. See how nice it looks. It has reflective stripes here for better visibility. Has a cute little fin, shark fin. Has a rescue and grab handle. You can grab them, or if something's going bad, you can pick them up. Quick release belts, and it's Velcro. Same on the top. This goes around the dog's neck. This, then you tie it. This, and this goes around the belly, and then you fasten it here. You adjust, like Chihuahuas, Poodles, Schnauzers, Bulldogs, Yorkies, stuff like that. Check on the chart to see how much weight or how big they have to be able to wear this one. This one is extra small. My dog is a Yorkie, so I think this will fit her. She's pretty small. This actually has a ring too here that you catch your leash. As you can see, it's very well made. Has like nylon straps, good Velcro. Looks pretty cute. Let's put it on my dog to see how it looks. All right, we're gonna put on the life vest on my dog. So this goes here. You can tie it up here in this on the side, and then come up down here, and you put it under, and you tie it up here on the side. And here, and now she's ready to go. That's how she looks. Let's see how it goes. If she's having troubles, you can just hold her. Okay, boy. And there you have it. It worked, so I definitely recommend it.